In this video, I'm going to show you how to change spaces between items in Products Archive horizontally and vertically. Changing the spaces between products in Products Archive page can be easily done from Jupiter X Shop Customizer. It introduces a new way of customizing anything in your shop, the easiest way possible without any line of code. It has pre-made templates, a set of options to customize the paddings, margins, backgrounds, alignments, colors, typography settings, pagination, and anything else you can imagine. The thing about the Shop Customizer is that you can see what you are editing because all the edits are live and available through Shop Customizer. In order for the Shop Customizer to work, WooCommerce plugin must be installed and activated. Now, to change spaces between products in Products Archive page, go to Customize, go to Shop, and then click on Products List. From Settings tab, go to Grid Settings, and here you can insert your desired space. Okay, and finally, click on Publish to save your changes. Thank you for watching.